I'm gonna teach you an easy magic trick that you can do it right now. All you need is just a deck of cards, a normal deck of cards that I'm sure you have it in your home. All right, bring your deck, and you can give it to your spectator to check it and make sure it's completely normal, and shuffle it as much as he wants, right? And a first shuffle, all right. When he gets satisfied, ask him to choose a card, pick a card, for example this card, this, and memorize it and put it on the top of the deck. And then you're going to cut the deck like this, and now his card, it is somewhere in the middle of the deck and we don't know where it is, and I'm gonna found it with just one move. All right, let's found it. 3, 2, and 1. Found it. Let's go to the tutorial. If you're interested in magic tricks, for example with coins, with cards and anything, just subscribe my channel. I'm a magician and I'm gonna teach you how to fool everyone with some simple magic tricks. And sorry about, I apologize for my bad English and English accent. I'm new on YouTube and in English language, so excuse my English. Let's go to the tutorial. You just have to do a false cut. When your spectator chose his card, for example this card, memorize it and put it on the top of the deck, you do this false cut like this. Again, it's a false cut, an easy false cut, and if you know more false shuffles or false cuts, do it right now. And then all you need to do is push his card, because his card is still on the top. But how to push it? Just like this, right? Watch carefully. In normal speed, like this. And you found this card just like that. Very easy to do and very simple. If you learned this magic trick, like this video, and thanks for watching me. And I'm Parsa Musavi and this is Pars Magic. I hope you enjoyed this magic tutorial.